Number 3.
There's a horn in GMC Stadium once again. Fitness, Chris Molly tags a Maryland Craft Mechanical gets out there. The lead change is already in the air. Gets it as Molly's got that rail.
Oh, look at that!
As he comes down the side, hunting down the speed demon, Chris Molly, but it'll all be for the Maryland down on number 2. Now down the backstretch he goes. Chris Molly and Graf Mechanical, 2 years ago the champion. Tonight his dreams are fading fast as he comes into the sunlight of GMC Stadium, and right behind him he is opening him up a notch. There you go, Chris Molly and Graf Mechanical now. I'll bring out a little bit floor. He knows he's got to run and run hard to stay ahead of Wayne McGilvery in the Shady Creek Ranch, because our buddy Tom is about to crank it up a notch, and here